Today I will be talking about my selected designer Charles and Ray Eames. In 1970, Charles Eames was born in St. Louis, Missouri, and his spouse Ray Eames was born in 1912 in Sacramento, California. Charles Eames went to Washington University in St. Louis on a scholarship for 2 years, where he began working in an architectural office. Ray studied painting with Hans Hofmann in New York before moving on to Cranbrook Academy, where Charles and Ray met while attending the Cranbrook Academy of Art in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. Charles and Ray Eames gave shape to American life, from their architecture, furniture, and textile designs, all through to their photography and business design. The duo applied a deep influence on the visual character of daily life in America. Their original use of full materials and technologies, particularly plywood and plastics, transformed the way Americans furnish their homes, bringing in functional, affordable objects and furnishings to many middle-class Americans. The Eames partnered with the federal government and the country's top businesses to lead the charge to revolutionize post-war America. The pair moved to Los Angeles in 1941, where Charles originally worked in the movie industry while Ray created cover designs for the influential journal California Arts and Architecture. Through the use of creative and industrial materials, the Eames pursued a strong, flexible product capable of taking on myriads of shapes and forms. These experiments included the construction of a special machine for moulding the plywood. However, this work led to Eames contributing to the war effort. They established a contract from the US Navy to create a lightweight, mass-produced moulded by plywood leg splints for injured servicemen. The access to military technology and materials provided the final step in the Eames' successful attempt to create stable moulded plywood products. The resulting splint was highly functional and formed the characteristics of many of their following furniture designs. As a young man, Charles worked with engineers and manufacturers, expecting his lifelong interests in mechanics and complex workings of things to be his sole line of work. Ray spent her creative years in amongst New York's modern art movements and participated in the first wave of American-born abstract artists. Now I will talk about Dieter Rehm's principle of good design. Good design is long-lasting. The Lachaise chair designed by Charles and Ray is made out of polyurethane, chrome-plated tubular steel, and solid natural oak. These sorts of materials used on this chair can last a while if the chair is taken well care of. Good design is environmentally friendly. The Lachaise design downfall to this category is the use of solid natural oak. The process to obtain this sort of material would result in mass deforestation, depending on the demand for this specific chair. Good design makes product useful. The way the chair flows and cradles the shape of someone while laying down would make the chair more comfortable, yet the chair is built for relaxing and also normal use and you don't always have to lay down in it. Good design is aesthetic. The aesthetics of the Lachaise is easy on the eyes, as it only uses a basic white body. The flow of the chair's body design is soothing. In a way, it does not have rough and sharp edges. The chair is meant to look relaxing and welcoming, so the aesthetics have to follow that sort of look and feel. Good design makes a product understandable. Lachaise is self-explanatory in its design, made for comfortable and relaxation. With its shell-like body flowing, it makes whoever is sitting in it feel secure and relaxed as it cradles the user. The Lachaise design compared to this design drawing I have made here follows some of the design principles, like the aesthetic quality of my drawing and how I have used the tones of red in the figures and hair lighting of effects. Thank you for watching my bibliography.